So here is how this works. You want to advertise on X, and they're asking you to spend $500 for 5 days, meaning $100 a day, to push your content. For what reason? Like, really, I can't really think of a reason where somebody subscribing to my X account actually will make a difference in my life. However, for those that live on X and live on YouTube and whatever, you can totally advertise your content out there to get more viewers and so on. And you can also automate it. Okay, so in this case, what I'm offering is I can automate your posts on X anytime you like using API that connects some data and then pushes it to X. So in this case, actually, I'm using, um, yeah, I'm not going to do this. I'm using a simulated connection to Coinbase right here. So in this case, my portfolio, say this is real, is $126,000, and I want to advertise this every day just to show that I have credibility with my cryptocurrency buys and sales and suggestions, right? So I can push this automatically without ever having to do anything by just running this code, and it will run every day and it will publish it so I can go on vacation. And any content that I actually would like to have published here will be added here. So for now, what I'm saying is if you'd like to hire me to provide this code for you, or if you'd like me to give you the package, let me know. I'll share that with you. What I'm charging right now is if you want me to do it, I need to make some money. And I'm gonna say $500 is just about right because that's about what I get paid per hour. And it took me maybe 3 hours to make this code. It runs on Python and it's about 350 lines of code in Python. And I'm gonna make this script available to you if you like. You can run it on any computer you want that runs Python. Actually, it will work on your Macintosh. You can also put Cygwin and Python on your Windows machine, and this script will connect to X and publish anything you like. In this case, I'm using like a Coinbase simulation. Although if you wanted to post real Coinbase data, you can. It will do that. It's already already built in. I just didn't want to disclose what my cryptocurrency portfolio really is on Coinbase. So these numbers are simulated, but it will connect and it will work. So you will see, your portfolios on a daily basis or whatever else you want to publish there. So this is my Black Hole Surfer service to you. And if you're interested, let me know. Um, I'll provide that to you. Thank you.